Hey y'all, I'm back. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Last segment is cream potatoes. Hope you can see that. This is how I cream my potatoes. I drain the most of the water off. Come on now. What in the heck? Okay, hold on. This is the keeping it real part. There we go. I'm going to use my mixer to cream them a little bit. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. This is not your low-calorie Valentine meal, just so you know. But it is a good southern hearty thing for my farmers who have been top dressing wheat today. And then I'm going to shake a little bit. You know what? Forget that. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of black pepper, because I got to get this ready to send to Papa. And about a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to use this almond milk again, because I ain't got no milk. And I'm going to pour just a little bit, just a dub-dub of milk as I mix them. I like my potatoes really creamy. I don't like them lumpy. And that is looking great. One more dub-dub of milk. And then I'm going to cut this baby up on high. That's what I'm talking about. Now, some people use a potato masher, and that's all good and fine. But I like mine creamed because that's how I grew up. My mama creamed hers, so I cream mine. And there you have it. Cream potatoes to go with your country style steak. And I'm going to plate that up and get it ready to send to Papa with some green beans. So there you have it. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Valentine's. Country style steak, mashed potatoes, gravy, and green beans. Have a great one.